Hey, thanks so much for joining. I'm Joe Peterson. I'm the Vice President of Cloud and Security for Clarify 360, and I'm here today on behalf of the CTO Advisor and their Cloud Everyday series. And today we're talking Google Cloud Security. And what are we talking about? Well, shielded VMs. What are they? They're virtual machines or VMs on Google Cloud that are hardened by a set of security controls that help defend against rootkits and bootkits. So using shielded VMs helps protect enterprise workloads from threats like remote attacks, privilege escalation, malicious insiders. Shielded VMs leverage advanced platform security capabilities such as secure and measured boot, a virtual trusted platform module or VTPM, UEIF firmware, and integrity monitoring. So what are a couple ways to use shielded VMs? Well, here's three. Quickly protect VMs against advanced threats. In just a few clicks, you can enable shielded VMs to help protect against threats such as malicious project insiders, malicious guest firmware, and kernel or user mode vulnerabilities. Second, you can ensure workloads are trusted and verifiable. Shielded VMs help protect your virtual machines against rootkits and boot and kernel level malware with secured and measured boot capabilities. So using a VTPM, shielded VMs provide a virtual root of trust to verify VM identity and ensure they're part of your specified project and region. And then third, help protect secrets against exfiltration and replay. So using shielded VMs, secrets generated or protected by a VTPM are sealed to a VM and only revealed once integrity is verified. If you like my content, ring my bell on my profile so you're first to see my post, or follow me at Clear Tech Today on Twitter. Or if you need cloud security or cybersecurity sourcing assistance, Clarify 360 has you covered. Thanks for joining.